Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again with another video. Got a couple great storage ideas. These are just used as example here. But what I want to talk about today are these two things here. I got the 2-bay offline clone hard drive docking station. This docking station basically allows you to put hard drives in here, either your regular big boy old-fashioned hard drive or your 2.5, your 2.5, which is like that. So I got both of these just to use to show you how it goes in here. So we're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you that. And also, I got a great deal on this. This is the Seagate expansion hard drive. This is an 8 terabyte hard drive. So you want to use this to back up like old photos, old videos. Like us, if you do a lot of videos, you know, YouTube and or whatever. I've got a 4 terabyte. That's all. That's pretty much full. So I'm going to transfer my 4 bytes on here and use my 4 terabyte on my Xbox. So that's what we got going on now. So let's unbox this baby. So right here, oh yeah, I got my knife there, not my grandpa knife. So, oh, I don't even need a knife for this. So let's open up this. This is the 2-bay offline clone right here. So there's the actual case. As you see right on it, it says you got your 2.5 hard drive that can go right in there. If you look at that real good, let me make sure my camera is good. So you see. If you can see, there we go. The 2.5 will fit in there. And then if you can put another 2.5, or you could put the whole big boy in there. It's a dual bay clone hard drive. So on the back, you'll see you got the USB 3.0, your power. You can clone and then PC. So you can clone, that's from going from one hard drive to another. You can use it just as a storage right off your PC. Here's your power button right there. So here you go. Here's the big boy drive right here. So you would take the big boy here, line it up with the things, go like that. And there you go. That's in there now. That'll read that. Same thing with this. You can come over here and bam. So now there you go. Just like that. So I've got 2 different drives. Or you could do 2 2.5s. You could do 2 of the big boys. You know, the big old fashioned. So either way you want to do it, and it'll read it. And then here's right here, they give you a USB cable, your power cable, and oh yeah, if you need an adapter, I guess that's oh yeah, oh, it's got some kind of funny plug here. So this just goes, this just rotates in here. Some kind of funny European type thing. So put the opening there, and once you put that on there like that. Let me plug the power up to the back. Easy peasy. Now let me give you guys some power here. Let me find some power real quick. And then once you plug it up, and then it's a power button on the back. Make sure you hear that? Once you turn that on, you can hear it. You can actually hear the hard drives rolling. And then that's it. You just hook this into your computer, target 1, source 2, target 2, and then you just transfer your data. So this is a great idea right here. So let's move on to the next thing. I'm gonna put this on the side. Let me get my camera right. And then, like I said, you want to make sure you definitely check out the link I have in the description. I got a great deal on my next item. It's kind of just like a computer. Next thing, we got the Seagate. So let's open this baby up. A great expansion idea. This baby is 8 terabytes. Did I say gigabyte earlier? So this is 8 terabytes. 8 terabytes right here. open this baby up. Oh, we gotta use the knife again. Oh. Woo! Okay. Let's open this baby up. Come on. Put that there. What else we got over here? Yes, sir. What we got inside here? So right here should be the power cord. Yep. You got the power cord and you got a stand. You can sit it up or you can lay it down. Of course, you got the USB cable. Put that over there. And this should be, oh, they just give you, okay. So you can have this in Europe. You know, they just, oh, okay. Here's the power cord, and they just give you all the different countries, you know, adapters for all the different countries. And that's got to be us, United States. These are all like European, so you got all the European type adapters here. So that's for the US. And I guess, you know, you just push that, lift that up, and you just push that in here like that. Should just pop right in. Oh, maybe I got it upside down. Oh, okay, wait a minute, I see how you do it. And then you just, oh, got that. Oh, that's not even the one I want. I want the American. Yeah, there we go. Just sit it in the middle first, slide down, you'll hear it click, and now you're ready to go in the United States, just like that. So, this is all the adapters. You're gonna sit that on the side. Let's get to the main event, what you wanna see. Take this out, bam. Take this out, get rid of the trash. And this thing's got a little weight on it too. I could tell when I was filling the box. And this is it right here. This is the Seagate expansion. And I think the Seagates, if you got a gaming system, you can use these on the Xbox. So you got your cable right there. Let me open this up. So it comes with the cable for it, so you're good to go. And then you know what you do after that. You know, you put your power there, then you just plug this up like so, and then you're in business. I want to make sure I know with these things. I always make sure I don't bend this thing up. I always get crazy with these things like this. Oh, there we go. So once I put that in, I don't never take that out because it's easy to bend these little prongs. So make sure you're real easy when you put that in. And then, you know, the power goes here just like that. And then, you know, I usually just sit mine up like that. And then you just use it as a backup drive right there. So make sure you guys definitely check out the link for these two things here. The Seagate and, you know, the docking station. The Seagate and the docking station. I will definitely have a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I'll see you on the next one.